Good morning, guys. Here's Kat's vlog. I just dropped my kids to the school. So today, I'm going to review my new washing machine. Okay, guys. I have an old washing machine when I moved to the house, and I used it for 8 years. Hopefully, this brand new one will last me at least for 5 years. That my money will be like worth it. Okay, here is my new machine. Okay, Daddy just installed it today, so I have to try it on. Here, this is very simple washing machine, guys. We just bought this one, the simplest one to use, not much, button to use. So hopefully this will last us at least 5 years for the warranty. And then yeah, my old washing machine is Maytag. Now I get this one as Whirlpool. Ayan. So guys, here you go. So today I'm going to put first load on it. Okay, time to change the washing machine, already giving me headache. So now we bought this one brand new. It's not the latest model though, but maybe it's better. Simpler one, and it just fit on us. So my energy guide siya dyan. And then here is the button. Like if you want normal washer, you put this one over there. If you're using heavy, like the beddings, you put it heavy. And then if you want to use white, this one goes to white. And yeah, basically this is so simple. Colors, the color the laundry you have, you put it in there. They have also colors with soak if you wanna soak first. And yeah, delicate they have also there. In this button, you can see 3 buttons down there. This is the level of the water. You want it cold, or warm. Okay, you just put that one there. But basically, I'm using the regular clothes for cold only. Cheaper. Okay. And then this button is the auto sensing. So before it starts, it will sensing itself. So now if you want it like deep wash, water dip, you're gonna just turn it like that. So I'm going to use this one, put it in a auto sensing, put this one in cold. In this one, I think it should be okay to be in auto sensing. I don't want auto with extra rinse. I don't want this deep water rinse. So that's it. If I'm going to use a softener, you can put it, I think, here. Yeah, use with the fabric softener. Yeah. Okay, so now this one I'm gonna put it in normal first. Then yeah, let's try my new washing machine, guys. This is only our review for this, and let's open this one. There you go. Inside is like that. My old machine also has like this. Okay, it will last me for 8 years, but it's been a washing machine in this house and since I bought the house. So yeah, after 8 years I have to change a brand new one. It's not really big, but it's okay for my family. Yeah, and then there is something here that the warning, advertisement, and everything that you can read in there. Of course, you have the manual. Okay, now this is the plug. I'm gonna plug it on now, and the wires are already connected. So this is the water from the machine going to the sink. Okay, let's try. Hopefully this one is okay, guys. Okay, I'm going to put some loads, guys. Now first load of my washing machine. Okay, Hopefully it will work. Now I'm going to sprinkle the laundry detergent, close this, and since I did everything here, the wash temperatures and the rinse options, and then so yeah, we just press the button to start up. There you go. So it starts there. It's sensing, right? And then every level in this one, they have rinse, wash, rinse, and then final spin, and then the other one is complete cycle. Complete. So complete means it's already spin and there's no water on it. So there you go, guys. It's starting. Hear the noise. Hopefully this one will last me at least for 5 years. I'll be okay. I bought this one, guys, for 1,046 Canadian dollar. Everything is included: the tax, the delivery, they charged me for the hose that we didn't use. We used the old hose down there, so I have to return them. And everything is 1,446 Canadian dollar, only the washer, because my dryer is still okay. Here he is. Okay, so for me at least it's still working, so don't change it. So here you go. Let's try my first load, guys. Okay, now, guys, if you're not subscribed on my channel, can you please subscribe, like, and comment, please, and comment below whoever have this Whirlpool washing machine, same model as mine, if this will last. I think it depends also with how you used it. So I won't take away these stickers that they put it in, because we don't know what's gonna be happening. Okay, so yeah, here you go, guys. Hopefully this will last. So now I hear the water is filling up my machine. Okay, I'll show you later, guys. I forgot to show you where is the laundry softener you can put. It's inside of the machine. I show you later if this should be done. Look, yeah, I think it should gonna be okay. Now we are on wash. Okay, guys. Okay, now, guys, it's done. My first load on my brand new machine is done. It says cycle complete. Tignan natin. Let's see kung na-spin siya ng mabuti. Okay, guys. Okay naman siya. Spin well, look. So, ready for dryer. Let's see inside. So, yeah, my machine is beautiful, hopefully. Okay, there you go. Guys, I forgot earlier, I put the fabric softener in here. Okay, so simple washing machine that I got. Okay, not too much button to press. Basically, that's it. Yeah, and I got my warranty paper down here. And I have a beautiful plug over here. Oh, look, see. Malabo. America. So, and I have to sign for warranty on the computer. Okay, guys. So, thank you guys for watching my channel. If you're not subscriber yet, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. Thank you so much for supporting, guys. Here you go. This is my machine review. So it's just so easy again. It's just like that. And then the only thing you can press here now if I'm doing my laundry is this heavy, if it goes with your kilt, kumot, like that. And then press start. So Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.